Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My Boxycharms have arrived for the month, which means we're going to jump in, unbox, and review the entire base variation for the month of May. I've already put up a whole video on June spoilers, which I will link up above, but today it is all about base June unboxing review of everything in there. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the base Boxycharm box for the month of May 2022, stay tuned. All right, so first things first, I was very excited based on last month's boxes because they were really amazing boxes that I thought Boxycharm had kind of rounded the corner and we were getting back into some really great products. And this variation is like all skincare. It's not super exciting. I'm still going to show it to you. We're still going to talk about every single item, but I'm already going to get this off the ground by saying I'm a little underwhelmed this month. So the theme of the month is Boxycharm Super Bloom. This is going to be variation 10, and this is the base box. Now, they did drop in, and this is not on the card, so this is definitely like a freebie, but they dropped in the Refreshments 5-blade razor kit from Ipsy's Refreshments. Now, Boxy and Ipsy have merged, so it makes sense that Ipsy Refreshments would be in the box as like a teaser. And then there's a whole little pamphlet here on how to start receiving refreshments if that's something you're interested in. There's lotions and shampoos and conditioners and razors and all of the like, you're not going to get it in a subscription box, but you want to keep getting more of it kind of stuff. Jumping into the actual box, first item is from Skin Inc. This is the Serum Glow Filter, retailing for $50. Glow up with the world's first skincare makeup Serum Glow Filter. Blending beauty and technology into one bottle, this clever concoction is formulated with rare golden hibiscus extract and Skin Inc.'s two top-selling serums, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. To give you a selfie filter in real life, it is perfect for daily use and is personalized to your skin tone using a light reflective technology that enables eternal light to bounce off your skin, creating a glowy, pearlized finish and reduced appearance of pores and red skin tone. We are going to try this out today. Oh, that's really pretty. So just looking at it, I saw this as very skincare-y, but we're going to try it as makeup. I'm going to take about one pump of this, and I'm going to apply some on the cheeks. Now, hyaluronic acid is very hydrating. Niacinamide is very blurring. So that is very promising. Okay, so when it says it adjusts to your skin tone, that really means there is no coverage, none whatsoever. So there is some light reflecting pearls in here, but I will say I'm not seeing any pigment, and it's not really adding much as far as like it says makeup and perfect pigment and all those fun claims. I am seeing none of those benefits here. It feels like a very hydrating serum. I think this would make a really good primer, but just off of like it being on my skin, definitely not makeup, definitely not giving me coverage. I'm going to disagree in saying that this is makeup, but it does feel really nice. It smells really nice. I think I like that so far. Next from the brand Pharmacy, this is the Honeymoon Glow Body, retailing for $40, a body hydrating and resurfacing serum that instantly softens rough skin while eliminating bumps with AHAs and BHAs, leaving the skin remarkably smooth with a lit from within glow. I'm not really a big fan of body products like this, so I am going to drop it in an upcoming giveaway and not use it myself. But I will say that I do really like the Honeymoon Glow line. Pharmacy is a great skincare line, and I love their exfoliating product. Just not really the type of product I would use. Next is a product that I am not a huge fan of. This is the Ciate London Dewy Blush. Dewy Blush is the next gen gel balm tint blush that is a set to shake up and refresh your beauty routine. Gone are the days of chalky, powdery blush. With the ultra-weight, lightweight finish, the Dewy Blush leaves a subtle hint of color that you apply to the cheek, blending effortlessly into a modern glass-like sheen. Formulated with natural extracts of yuzu and dragon fruit, the blush brightens your base, leaving your skin with an even and healthy flush of color, retailing for $22. Now, I have received this several times in the past, and it does contain coconut oil, which I am very sensitive to. My skin will instantly start to break out, and it's just not a cute look for me, so I will be passing on that. Next, from the brand V Cosmetics, this is the Creamy Liquid Velvet Lipstick, retailing for $22. Unlike any lip color you've ever seen, the Liquid Velvet Lip Color is the product that you need to add to your makeup kit, formulated to be creamy, lightweight, and long-wearing, the unique statement with your fashion-forward vibe. Now, normally I love getting lipsticks in boxes, but this color is just not for me. It is a very rosy pink, and just in general, not the type of pinks I go for. I like more of a nudie pink, or if I'm really going to do like a pinky pink, I want it to be a little more mauve-y. This one from House Labs being a very mauve-toned pink. Not really one that's super, like, rosy pink. On me, I feel like rosy just washes me out, so I'm going to pass on that. And last, from the brand Basic Beauty, this is an eyeshadow primer. This is an eyelid primer base formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look that lasts for 12 hours, retailing for $18. Now, when it comes to eye primers, I am very particular. I'm still super old school and still scraping the bottom of a MAC paint pot, just because that does tend to work the best for me. If I want to go a little bit of a smokier eye, I'll actually use an About Face matte eye paint, and that's just going to help to give me a nice neutral base. I don't love using concealers, and primers like this, the Alamar, the P. Louise, they're good, but they're just not the thing I go for. So even when I do gravitate towards, trying them out, or I give them a chance, by the second time, I'm already back onto the things I already know and love and have moved away from these. So all in, this box had a retail value of $152, which for 5 full-size products at $28, not a bad subscription box. The one product I used, I actually do really like the way it feels on the skin. I feel hydrated, I feel silky and smooth. I think it's a really good product. I don't think it does all the things it claims that it does, however. And obviously, all of the rest of the products are things I'm going to pass on. So when I tried this out, when I first unboxed and we started playing around with it, I was optimistic that the first product out of the box would prove me I was wrong and tell me that I needed to be a little more open-minded to the box. But now that I've unboxed the whole thing, I'm really underwhelmed and a little disappointed. I mean, an eyeshadow primer, okay, I get it. A liquid lipstick, I know a ton of people who love getting liquid lipsticks in boxes. Liquid lipstick is one of those things I'm really particular about, and I don't love having a million. I like having, 2 or 3 that I like, and I have 5 in front of me at all times that are all a little bit different. Well, 4 and one's a gloss, and those are the lips I use. It's a pinky nude, a peachy nude, a red, a clear gloss, and a peachy gloss. That's it. And I think when I get lip products in colors that are different, I tend to not enjoy them. Obviously, the Ciate blush, it's not their fault that I'm allergic to coconut. It is not at all their fault that I can't use this product, but just something to think about when you do get a product, this kind of thing in a box, and you do have an allergy, that's not always the best. Now, obviously, I am a PR member, so I did not pay for this box. So obviously they don't really see my preferences or my allergies the way they would if you were a paid subscriber. So for me, I'm just going to have to deal with the fact that this month I am 1 out of 5. Definitely a pass for me. As always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear them. Please sound off, critical. You love the box, you hate the box, you like the skincare, you don't. You think these are amazing products, you think they're terrible products. I just really love hearing your input, and I will be honest, I could see myself really enjoying this product and using quite a bit of it, and everything else is going right in a giveaway. So, as always, thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!